If you want to set a custom ringtone on iPhone 17, then what you need to do is you need to have the audio file somehow on your iPhone, whether it is by downloading a file from the internet or by using like a cloud storage such as Google Drive or maybe even iCloud. In my case, I have a Google Drive where I have stored my audio files. So in this case, once you install the Google Drive app on your phone, then of course you can go to Files and you should be able to find the Google Drive over here. Unfortunately, the content sometimes is not loading, but there we go. Now, in the past, you had to have M4R audio file in order to be able to use it as a ringtone, but now it seems that we can even use MP3 files. So for example, over here I have this MP3 file. And if I open the audio file, I can use this button over here in the bottom right corner. And then once I have this sharing menu, I can actually scroll up in order to find use as ringtone. So I can select this option. Well, I actually have this set up, but as you can see, we can easily do that because it says that this would be the duplicate. And after that, we can double check if the ringtone was set by going to settings. There we go. Over here, we can open sounds and haptics. And in here, you should be able to find the name of the file in ringtone section. And yeah, this is how you can set a custom ringtone on iPhone 17. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.